Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create an interactive card animation in Wix Studio without any code. This animation is ideal for highlighting key features, creating interactive elements, and showcasing products with style. Let's get right into it and create some magic. Go to Figma. Create a rectangle. Round the corners. Now create an ellipse. Remove the background and increase the stroke width from 1 to 8. Now copy and make it smaller. And copy it again. And fill the last one with color. Move it to our rectangle. Select all. And click Subtract Selection. Now create a triangle. Flip it horizontally. Move it to our card. Select all again. Click Union Selection and round the corners. Now duplicate the card. It will be the card that will go behind the first one. Click on the card and go to Export and choose SVG. Go to Wix Studio. Change the background. Go to Add Elements and add a repeater. Stretch and align it center. Add gaps. Remove the background color. Back to Add Elements and add a container. Stretch it. Remove the background. Go to Layers and rename our container to Hover for convenience. Now add an image and stretch it. Replace it with the background we need. Click on Mask and add the shape for the hover state. Add titles. Replace the text and adjust the font size and color if needed. Add paragraphs and adjust them the same way. Press Shift, select our text and click Stack. And now we need to hide our hover container for convenience. Let's create cards for the default state. Add a container. Remove the color and add the background image. Add your mask. Add containers for the images. Adjust them. Round the corners and change the background. Click on Container and change Overflow Content to Hide here. Add the texts. Adjust the cards. And add characters. Now let's add a glowing ellipse. Select the shape, change the color, and adjust the position. Repeat the same steps with the other shapes as well. Scroll down to Shadows and click Apply Shadow. Adjust the settings for all shapes. Go to Layers again and rename our container to Default for convenience, and make the hover container visible again. And now it's time to add animations. Click on the item, go to Animations and Effects, and choose Hover. Change animated element to our hover container and create a custom animation. This will be our initial state. Set opacity to 0. And let's adjust settings for the animation 1. Add another animation. Change animated element to the default container. And add the twist animation. Add another animation. Change animated element to our image. And add a custom animation for it. Now click on our hover container and add the last animation. Choose Move and adjust it. And here's the final result. We've successfully created an interactive card animation in Wix Studio. I hope you're feeling inspired to add this to your own design. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.